The Torras 360 spin case for the Pixel 10 device took me by surprise. I didn't expect to like it as much as I do, but after weeks of use, it's become my go-to case. The standout feature is the built-in metal ring on the back, which flips out smoothly and rotates a full 360 degrees. It works brilliantly as a kickstand in either portrait or landscape mode, making it perfect for video calls, streaming, or just propping up the phone at your desk. When not in use, the ring tucks neatly back into place, sitting flush with the case to avoid unnecessary bulk. Beyond the clever ring design, the case delivers where it matters most: protection. The grippy rubberized material inspires confidence, and the raised lip around the camera bar means your lenses are safe when you set the Pixel down. Despite its ruggedness, it remains slim enough to carry comfortably in a pocket or bag. The ring is sturdy enough to hold up even larger phones securely, so the Pixel 10 device feels well supported. The case is also MagSafe compatible, which is a huge plus if you use wallets, chargers, or other accessories. I paired it with Torras MiniMag wireless power bank, and the two work together seamlessly. My only complaint is that the ring isn't always the most comfortable to hold for long reading sessions. The edges can dig in a bit. Still, that's a minor quibble compared to the overall utility and value this case provides. If you want a Pixel 10 device case that balances durability, functionality, and everyday convenience, the Torras 360 spin case is an excellent choice.